Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. You're here with me today for another food adventure plus a bonus air fryer review. This is my HANABISHI air fryer. I got this few months ago. It's a 23 liters capacity. So, ang daming mga nagtatanong, worth it ba bumili ng air fryer? Magagamit ko ba yan? Magkano ba yan? So, I got this for, well, ang SRP neto is 6,130 sa Hanabishi website mismo. But I got this ng discounted price for 5,890 sa Delta Appliances. They have a Facebook page, Delta Appliances, yung name ng page nila. So, you can check it out. So, and then, 5,890, but you shoulder the shipping fee. They ship via Lalamove. Lalamove yung ginamit nun. And it was shipped the same day. Actually, after an hour lang. An hour after I placed my order. Shinip nila agad. So, eto siya. Magagamit nyo to actually. Madaming gamit ang air fryer. You can, well, fry your chicken, your pork, nang hindi mo kailangan ng oil. So, it's like a healthier way to fry your food. So, meron din, you can also roast, like, kung gusto mo mag-roast ng chicken, ng pork belly. So, they have, it comes with extra, yung accessories for roasting. And, so, ito siya. And you can also use it for baking. So, kung mahilig ka mag-bake, it's a good buy. It's a great find actually. Kapag mahilig kang mag-bake, mahilig kang magluto ng kung ano-ano, you can bake your lasagna, your mac and cheese, your cake, your cupcakes, your brownies. So, pwede siya sa lahat. So, ayan. And then, you can also use it for toasting. Kung gusto mo mag-toast ng bread mo for breakfast, ganyan. Or, gumawa ng french fries or magluto ng french fries. Diba? Ito yung air fry basket niya. So, kung gusto mong mag-fry ng french fries, you can put it in here and then drizzle a little bit of oil lang. Kasi wala namang oil ang potatoes. So, kailangan mo siyang lagyan ng konting oil lang para maluto siya. Pag magluluto ka ng chicken or pork, you don't need to put oil. Kasi may oil naman na yung mga yun. So, maluluto sila. So, ang isang tanong din is, ano ba yung lasa kapag nag-fry ba ako ng chicken sa air fryer? Parehas lang kapag nag-fry ako ng chicken sa pan or sa stove. Well, expect nyo na if you use air fryer to fry your chicken, chicken joy halimbawa. So, medyo mas dry siya ng konti compared sa pan-fried with oil na chicken. Kasi syempre, you added oil kapag nag-fry ka sa stove or sa pan, di ba? So, given na mas dry lang siya kesa kapag nag-add ka ng oil. But, again, it's a healthier way to fry your food. So, yun. And kung gusto mo ding mag-bake, gusto mong gumawa ng pizza, brownies, cake, cupcakes, pwedeng-pwede. So, I use this for baking, for kapag nagto-toast ako, kapag nagmamadali ako, mag-prepare ng breakfast. So, pwedeng-pwede siya. So, para sa akin, it's worth it for around 6,000. Matagal mo siyang magagamit, plus madami siyang pwedeng paggamitan. So, it's a good buy. It's a great buy actually. So, yeah. Let me just put this back. Okay. And it comes with a manual na pwede nyong gamitin and kung paano nyo ba i-place yung air fry basket kapag, halimbawa, kapag nag-fry kayo, Saan ba? Kasi it has an upper and a lower rack. So, saan mo ba ipa-place kapag nag-bake ka? Sa taas ba? Sa baba? So, andito siya lahat. Yung proper positioning ng rack mo. And also, nandito din yung air fry cooking chart nila. They have, if you're cooking chicken wings, ganyan, or potatoes, diba? Kung ilang minutes, and yung temperature niya, yan, nandyan siya. So, yun. This is a Hanabishi 23 liters capacity na air fryer. Yan. It's available sa website nila. Pero when I bought this, kasi when I wanted to buy one, out of stock sa Hanabishi mismo, sa website nila. So, I had to find other shops na meron. So, gladly, I found Delta Appliances. And super fast yung shipping nila and smooth yung transaction. So, I'm gonna put the link ng online store nila in the description box so you can check them out. So, today, let's try this air fryer. Let's try cooking my favorite chicken wings. So we need clean washed chicken wings, and I'm using crispy fry for the breading or to coat the chicken. So when air frying, you don't need to preheat your oven. You just put your chicken or your pork directly in and then close it. So set the function to air fry. There you go. And then suggested temperature when frying chicken wings using your air fryer is 200 degrees Celsius, and let it sit for 22 minutes and then we wait. So but if you prefer like both sides crispy, I suggest you're gonna have to flip it halfway through your cooking. So that's what I did here. And after 22 minutes, our chicken is ready. See that you get the same texture, the same crispiness when using your air fryer compared to when you are pan frying your chicken with oil. But then again, when using your air fryer, you don't need to put oil in your chicken. So it's like a healthier way of cooking your meat, your pork or your chicken. So there you go.
Time for us to accept that no one is coming to save us. Any hope we have of that happening? Die.